Hey guys, it's me Stace. Welcome back to another Brother Scan and Cut video, and today we are making this really fun and rather large candy popper. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Here we are at the computer. I am already logged into the Canvas workspace. I am also using a desktop version. So the very first thing it brings up is this Canvas Project Pattern Collection window. And the project we are making is on this screen. It's the candy-shaped gift boxes. If for some reason you don't see it on this screen, just click your mouse inside the search box and type in the word candy, and then click on enter, and our project should come up, which it did. It's the candy-shaped gift boxes, so go ahead and click on that. It'll bring up a preview window, and it says mat A, mat B, and mat C. So we need all three of these mats to make our project. I'm going to move this window out of my way, then click on mat A, and then make sure that transfers over. Click on mat B, and also mat C. So now that we have all three of our mats inside the work area, I can close this window out. And now I want to separate the pieces. So we have this piece here and also this piece. Now the Be Joyful is set to draw. If you right click on that and choose Ungroup, and then click on the Be Joyful, you will see the operation type in the upper left hand corner is Draw. I'm going to go back and regroup those together. Now you've seen at the beginning, this box is rather large. So to resize it, what I'm going to do is highlight all three of these pieces and choose Duplicate. So I'm not going to mess with the original size. Then take each one of these out of my area. Now normally how I would resize this, I would have you guys bring all these pieces on top of each other, inside this one and inside this one. Then highlight all the pieces, right click on that and choose Group, but you'll see I get an error message. It says Operation Not Allowed. The grouping of objects already includes 3 layers or 3 levels of grouped objects. Just go ahead and click OK on that one. So make sure they're all selected. Then you can use the arrow keys to resize your box. So if you go smaller, you will see the Be Joyful greeting, and also that scout piece is also much smaller. So that's how you would resize it without grouping it together. I'm going to delete all these pieces and bring my original pieces back over. Now with the Brother Scan and Cut, it does not let you send this to the machine because we have these pieces here that are outside of our work area. So you want to hide these pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Be Joyful. Go to the right-hand side toolbar. It is the third icon down, which is Layers. And whatever you have highlighted over here will also be highlighted over here. So you can see it's highlighted here. Just go ahead and close the eye. Now that piece is hidden, and do the same for the green piece. Hide that one as well. Upper toolbar, go ahead and click on File, Export. You will see a warning box pops up saying that the images that we hidden are not going to be able to transfer, which is fine. Click OK, then click Transfer. I'll go to my machine, cut this piece out, come back to the workspace, grab this piece or highlight it, go to my right-hand side toolbar again under Layers, and hide the eye on that one, open the eye on my green one, and also open the eye on the other piece, then bring these over. So again, the word Be Joyful is going to be used to draw, so you will use your markers for that. Then we have this piece here. Upper toolbar again, you want to click on File, Export, and that same warning box is going to pop up because we have the box itself hidden this time. Choose OK, and then choose Transfer. I'm going to cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the box together. All right, we are back. Everything is cut out and drawn on. I'm going to go ahead and take my purple cardstock, the base. I did a stamp on this. If you can see that, I used one of May stamp sets called Sweet Stuff. Now we're going to go in there and score, or crease in all those score marks. Now if you want to resize this and make it smaller, you can certainly do that. Just take everything to your mat and resize everything at the same time. All right, now there are score marks up here. I want to make sure you get those. And there's one on the side there. And I like making sure that these score marks, the little triangle ones, they go both directions. It makes putting this together a little bit easier. Go, and then this one, and then we'll do the other side and apply our glue. Make sure you get this little flap there, and on this side. When you score the center one in the heart, it kind of forms that triangle by default. Okay, I think we're all good. I'm going to take this flap and I'm going to put some glue on. I'm just going to use my advanced tape glider for the flat piece. And I will use my art glitter glue for the small little tabs. Not too much glue on that one. Okay. And now I'm going to lay it flat like this so all the glue is exposed. Then just bring this one over and lay it on top. And just rub with my fingers any of the extra glue I have there. Alright, so that is together. Now comes the hard part, is making this into the candy shape. Oop, my glue didn't dry over here. Let me kind of grab that one. You want to let that glue, the liquid glue we're using, that kind of set up before you assemble it. And I'm using art glitter glue. Like I said, it dries relatively quick. Alright, while that's doing its drying, let's go ahead and flip this piece over. Now, if you don't want to have the Brothers Scannicut draw this for you, you can certainly just cut it out and use your own grading on there. I'm going to go ahead and put 4 foam squares on there and give all of them a squish so they're ready. And now let's take this one. We're just going to push in on the sides. Now you'll see it doesn't go all the way in, I guess because of the size of it. So you want to put your candy in there first, then go ahead and close this up. So I'm going to grab some twine. And just go ahead and tie it as tight as it will go. Now I'm going to double knot it. Okay, that side's done. Let's do this one. I mean, with the size of this one, you can put all different kinds of things in there. You don't have to just use candy because it's nice and large. Alright, now I'm just going to tie them in a little bow. I'm not worried about that being perfect. Tie this one into a bow. If I had a thicker ribbon, I'd probably use a thicker ribbon versus the twine, but I'm using what I have on hand. Alright, cut those off. Alright, now let's take this piece, put that on here, and then take this off. So you can see it goes together pretty quickly. Like I said, it doesn't need to hold just treats. You can certainly fit, you know, like a pair of socks in here. All different kinds of things. Alright, so there you have it. How fun is that? So there's that one there, and there's this one here. Super cute. Alright guys, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.